Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess, and today we're going to be looking at the programming language Python. Python is a general purpose language, meaning it has many uses, and it's a great starting point regardless of what area you want to get into. The first large project I worked on was in Python, and that's what really helped get my foot in the door in terms of programming. Today we're going to cover some basic programming concepts and how to write them in Python. Okay, so let's start with variables. Variables are what we use to store data. Within Python, variables are dynamically typed, which means we don't have to declare what type of data we are storing. It'll figure it out on its own. So, for example, we'll start with the Hello World program, as we always do. We'll call our variable hello, equals sign sets it, and we'll set it to Hello World. And I've pressed enter, and now that's set. So we can use the print statement in Python. We'll print the variable we've just made, hello, and it prints that to the screen. Now, talking again about how variables are dynamically typed, in this scenario we've made the variable hello the type string because this here is a string. If we set hello to 1, Python wouldn't have a problem with that, it would figure out on its own. So if we printed it again, it would print 1. Whereas other programming languages, you would have to specify whether it was string hello or, as for the case with 1, int, which stands for integer hello. But Python, we can just simply say hello equals whatever we want it to. Another important programming concept are comments, which we use throughout our code to describe what it does in English or whichever language you're using. In Python, we use the hash, not hashtag, it's just the hash symbol here. So I can say, this is a Python tutorial. And that just tells the programmer who is reading your code when you publish it or something what you're doing. The next concept I think we should look at is arrays. And I've used a comment here to describe what an array is. An array is a special type of variable which can hold more than one value at a time. I think a good example for this would be a shopping list. So let's call our array shopping. And we'll make our shopping list. Let's say we have bananas, apples, pears. So the variable here would be shopping, and this is our shopping list or array. Now, to use arrays, it's very interesting because arrays are counted in a different way than how we usually count. The first value is actually value 0, 0, 1, 2. So if we were to print So if we say print shopping 0, it prints this value, the first value. So this is a common thing you have to remember when you start programming, because if you're saying print shopping 1, a lot of people would assume that that is bananas, the first item. But we start counting arrays from 0. So 0, 1 is apples. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, follow our Twitter and LinkedIn pages, and thank you for watching.